Welcome everyone to North Kuwait Excavation, Transportation and Remediation Project Zone 1. Monthly video May 2024. Please join us on our journey to these achievements. Excavation and transportation of contaminated soil. Excavation and transportation of contaminated soil continued from Rowderton area, where we have been working in sub-areas 2D. An average daily of 3,945 metric tons of contaminated soil are transported every day to treatment area. The total quantity transported this month is approximately 102,600 metric tons. We are proud to announce that since the first transportation on the 15th of November, 2022 till date, a total cumulative transportation of 2.55 million metric tons of contaminated soils to the treatment area has been completed. Treatment area. Screening, pulverizing and placing of contaminated soils at treatment area. Screening and pulverizing activities are ongoing, where 5 screening units and a crusher are in operation in 2 shifts for a daily productivity of 4,225 metric tons. The screened soils are weighed and placed in the biopads and stockpiled for bioremediation activities and soil washing treatment processes. The total contaminated soils placed this month is 109,860 metric tons. The cumulative contaminated soils placed so far is approximately 2.27 million metric tons. Backfilling. In the month of May, we have continued backfilling in the excavated areas deeper than 60 centimeters at sub-area 2C sub-zone 3 well pad and Gatch pit 11 for a daily quantity of approximately 3,150 metric tons. The total quantity of treated soil backfilled is 81,200 metric tons in this month. A cumulative of 421,980 metric tons is backfilled, which includes the following: Sub-area 1C, Sub-area 1D, Sub-area 1F and well pad in Sub-area 2C, Gatch pit 8 and Gatch pit 11. Bioremediation. Let's start with portion 3A, where we are addressing soil contamination with TPH ranging from 1% to 5%. In portion 3A, our bioremediation activities are in full swing. In these biopads, contaminated soil is treated with both solid and liquid amendments. Following the addition of amendments, the soil is tilled using windrow turners. This tilling process, combined with the addition of water, ensures optimal conditions for bioremediation. This month, we have reached RTC for 20 bio batches. These 20 bio batches represent a total of 174,949 tons of soil treated. This month, we have tilled 47 batches and watered 44 bio batches. We placed 7 bio batches, amounting to 63,056 tons of soil. Additionally, we achieved 50% TPH degradation in 13 batches, equivalent to 117,021 tons of soil. This month, a total of 71 samples were collected from 1988 grab samples from the bio batches. Apart from this, we are also taking internal progress samples for bioremediation monitoring purposes, including moisture and bacterial counts. Moving on to portion 3B, where we are handling soil with TPH levels greater than 5% and up to 7%. Here, we are employing a combination of bioremediation and soil washing techniques. For bioremediation, we placed 4 bio batches, totaling 36,015 tons of soil. This month, we collected 9 samples from 252 grab samples. In addition, we are taking internal progress samples for bioremediation monitoring purposes, including moisture and bacterial counts. In soil washing, this month we have operated the plant for 296 hours, processing a soil feed quantity of 10,159 tons, averaging 34 tons per hour, with the plant running 24 hours each day. The downtime was 346 hours. We have achieved RTC for the first soil washing batch, SW01, reducing the initial TPH from 5.28% to 0.53%, treating approximately 6,000 tons of soil. We have completed the second soil washing batch, SW011, and have started the third batch, SW02. We plan to collect verification progress samples from the second batch, SW011, next month. Starting with portion 4, we will handle soil with TPH levels above 7% through the soil washing plant from the fourth batch onward. For this, we have placed one batch, SWP401, consisting of 9,000 tons of soil. We will proceed with baseline sampling in the first week of next month. Thank you.